Imagine dedicating your life to mastering an art form, spending years refining your craft, only to wake up one morning and realize a machine can do it better, faster, and for free. This is not the future. It's happening right now. AI is revolutionizing creativity. But at what cost? Are we witnessing the death of the artist? Chapter 1. The Rise of Generative AI. For centuries, art was a human pursuit, a reflection of our emotions, our struggles, our history. Then came generative AI, machines that don't just mimic but create. What started as an experiment became a disruptive force. AI can now generate paintings in the style of any artist, music that sounds like your favorite musician, books, poems, even scripts, and deepfake videos. And it's happening faster than anyone expected. These are the platforms leading the revolution. MidJourney, AI that creates breathtaking visuals in seconds. DALL-E, OpenAI's hyper-realistic image generator. Stable Diffusion, open-source AI giving everyone unlimited creative power. Runway ML, AI-powered video editing replacing animators. Adobe Firefly, AI inside Photoshop reducing the need for human designers. MusicGen and Udio, AI music tools generating entire songs from text prompts. But where did these AIs learn their skills? That's where the controversy begins. Chapter 2. The artists being replaced. Stolen creativity. The rise of AI art wasn't organic. It wasn't trained on random patterns. It was trained on us. Take Greg Rutkowski, one of the most famous fantasy artists. His work was scraped from the internet, fed into AI models, and now thousands of people are generating his style without his permission. He never agreed to this. And it's not just visual art. Kling, an electronic musician, recently discovered AI was creating music under his name, music he never made. Voice actors are losing jobs to AI-generated voices that copy them without consent. Hollywood actors are being deepfaked into movies they never acted in. The message is clear. Artists aren't just competing against each other anymore. They're competing against machines. Chapter 3. The Backlash. Artists fighting back, but artists aren't staying silent. In the UK, over 2,000 creatives signed a petition to demand copyright protection. Elton John warned that AI is destroying the soul of creativity. Lawsuits are piling up. Comic artist Sarah Anderson sued AI companies for stealing her work. Musicians are demanding AI-generated songs be banned. Hollywood Screen Actors Guild went on strike over AI concerns. The problem is, the law is struggling to keep up. The UK is considering new copyright laws. The EU's AI Act still has loopholes that favor corporations. Courts are overwhelmed. AI keeps improving faster than they can decide. This is a war between innovation and human creativity. Chapter 4. Art is everywhere, and you don't even know it. AI isn't just an experiment anymore. It's already in the content you consume. Right now, you could be looking at AI-generated art without realizing it. Marvel's Secret Invasion series used AI-generated credits instead of hiring artists. Gaming studios are replacing concept artists with AI. Hollywood deepfakes are becoming the norm. If AI can write, paint, compose, and animate, what happens to the people behind those arts? Chapter 5. The Final Twist. A warning from the future. But before you answer that, I have a confession to make. Every single visual you saw in this video was AI-generated. The line between real and artificial is already disappearing. The question is, are we ready for what comes next? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more such intriguing videos. I'll catch you in the next one.